from CLW Group. Today I would like to introduce you our newly finished 5 tons. That is about 10,000. What is the LPG skid station? It is a mini LPG filling plant that is combined with the LPG tank and the filling pot. Follow Shirley, I will introduce you more about the LPG skid station. As you can see behind of me is a very newly finished LPG skid station for Nigerian custom. It is a reorder. The tank body is 10,000 liters. The thickness is 10 millimeters. So the tank is very strong and tough. The material is the Q345R. It's above the tank body. There is the sprinkling system. So with the nozzle, okay, let me introduce you more about the filling room. As you can see, it is the filling room with aluminum alloy shut-off door, so it can protect the filling pump and the filling skills very well. It's very easy to open and close. This skid station, it is with 2 sides of pump and 4 filling skills. The pump and the motor is the Chinese famous brand and with a very good quality. And the filling skills for filling the home cylinders, you can see it is 4 number. For our skid station, usually we suggest our customer to fit like 2 units, or you can choose like 4 units. As you can see, here is the electrical cable. When the skid station arrives to your place, what you need to do is to connect this cable with your local power. And here is the switch, and here is the control box for the pump. You can see here it are 2 control boxes. So one control box is for one pump, and just beside the control box, it is the lamp. It's a lamp. It is explosive proof, so it is very safe to use at the station. And just beside the control box, it is also a very important part. It is the gas leakage detector. So all our skid station from CLW Group, we offer the one gas leakage detector to ensure the station safety. And you can see here is the liquid and the vapor line. This is the vapor line, and this is the liquid line. So when the truck approach, you need to connect the skid station with the truck. Discharge gas from truck to skid station. It is a flank connection tap. This skid station is equipped with 4 filling skills. That means you can fill 4 cylinders at the same time. The skills, as you can see, it is with a printer, receipt printer. So you can give the receipt for every filling process. Also, the 4 filling skills are with the wireless data transfer function. That means all your filling data in one day or in 1 month will be transferred from the skid station to your computer. So for your business, you can really control all the filling data and all the filling records to prevent the cheating problem. That is all about the 5 tons LPG gas station. If you are interested about the gas station, so give Shirley a calling. I will be there to help you. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.